Welcome to Unit Network. If you have staked your tokens through bond staking and are ready to unbond and withdraw them, you're in the right place. Follow this simple guide to complete the process smoothly. Let's get started. Step 1. Access bond staking. Open the Unit Network app or website. Navigate to the UNITCOIN bond staking section. Step 2. Initiate unbonding. Find your active stake and enter the amount to unbond. Click Unbond and confirm the transaction. If prompted by your wallet, the standard unbonding period is 28 days. No early withdrawals. Track progress under Pending Unbonding in your dashboard. Step 3. Withdraw tokens. After 28 days, the Withdraw button will activate. Click it to transfer tokens to your available balance. Small network fees may apply. You're all set. Your tokens are now back in your wallet, ready to trade, res take, or hold. What's next? Swap your UNITCOIN for other tokens in our exchange platform. Participate in exclusive token sales for early access to new projects. Dive into Unit Network's DeFi ecosystem for more opportunities. Need help? Reach out at support@unit.network. Stay in control and keep growing with Unit Network.